Hello YouTube. This is Nas from WordPress. Welcome back. This is my third video. So today I'm just gonna do a quick shout out to SiteGround, the hosting company that I've used for at least a few years. For what I can say in this video, I'm just gonna say that their customer service is just top notch. Okay, no words can describe how powerful, how awesome they are. I've wrote an article about how splendid, how excellent their customer is. So it's just a short write up about how many good reviews that they receive in the month of March. So in this page in their site, they have collated a total of 30, I repeat, 30 5-star reviews of customer service. I mean, at least for what problem that they encounter, all of them I believe is being solved professionally. So you can actually browse through. You can actually get the links and the show notes below. But just take note that it seems like there's none of it is 1 out of 5 or at least lesser than 5. Everything is just 5 out of 5. Is the best. So take my word, because I am using SiteGround myself and I've never been happier upon using this web hosting company. So I'm proud to promote it myself, and I'm confident that whoever of you that who wants to give a shot to a very good hosting company, try SiteGround. Okay, because I think if you give it a shot, who knows, you'll be happier than the current hosting company that you are currently having. So yeah, take my word, and I think that's about it, and I hope you all like the video. Give me a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. Have a good day.